Creating a thumbnail can be overwhelming when you're just getting started on YouTube, especially when you don't have any background in graphic design. In today's video, we will be talking about thumbnails and how to create them. A thumbnail is a visual image that supports the title and topic of a video. It is the supporting element of a video. This is how a thumbnail looks like. You can design a thumbnail using Canva. Let me know in the comment section if you've played with Canva before or if you've ever used Canva. If you are new to Canva, you might want to sign up in order to get access. And if you have an existing account, you can just go ahead and log in from this session. You can add multiple accounts and you can also create a team as well. Canva is a great software tool to use. It has everything that is related to design, so you can just go ahead and use it. It is free to use. There is the paid version and the free version, but you can do a lot with even the free version. Now, if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, all you have to do after successfully logging in into your Canva account, you head over to the search bar and type YouTube thumbnail. Over here, you get access to beautiful templates that you can customize to your liking. So you just have to scroll through and look for the one that you prefer. Now, in case you want to see all the template that Canva has, you just have to click on see all and you get to see all the templates that is available. Over here, you can customize a template by just clicking on it. And then you can also decide to create a new template from scratch. Some of these templates that you are seeing, some are paid and some you have to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to use it. But you can do much more with Canva free version. So now let's click on create a new template from scratch. When you are designing your thumbnail, there are a couple of things that can assist you or help you to successfully design your thumbnail. And the first one is this design here. When you click on design, you get to see some templates that you might want to copy the style. There is also element. Over here at elements, you can see shapes, graphics, and stickers, other things, images, videos that you can use. And you can add a text by clicking on this. Then you can also upload images and videos, anything at all to your liking as well. You can draw. When you click on project, you get to see all your projects. When you click on apps, you get access to a couple of apps that can assist you to create your thumbnail. Now you can scroll through some popular apps and AI powered apps as well. These are useful apps. So just take your time, go through some of them and use them to your advantage. Now, if you are creating a thumbnail and you want your face to show on the thumbnail, you just have to select the type of image that you would be using and you edit it. So now you can resize. And then you go over to add a text. So you see a heading. When you scroll down, you can see some text, some designed text that you can use, but I would want to start from scratch so that you see how it's done. We can go ahead and type create YouTube channel, drag it a bit, increase the size. Then we can go ahead and change the font. So the font we will be selecting Anton. Then you go ahead to increase the size. We then proceed to look for YouTube logo. So with this apps, if you want to look for any logo at all, you just have to navigate to the apps and you would see a particular app that is called Brand Tech. Brand Tech, this is the name, this one. Then you just have to click on it and add it to these apps on your sidebar. You just have to type in the search bar the type of logo that you want, then you can get access to it. Now we want YouTube. We select YouTube and then we can see a couple of logos that we can use. You can then go ahead and add some effects to the text. So you just have to click on effect and then you can add a shadow and you can add a lift and you can increase the intensity of the lift. You just have to go through and then select the kind of effect that you want. Now you can also edit the image. All you have to do is select the image and click on edit. Then you can give it some filters. You can apply some filters to your image as well. Now, after editing your image, you can then go ahead and change the background color. In case you don't want the white, you can go with other colors. So you can just experiment with some of these colors as well. Now, in case you don't want any of these colors, you can go through the apps as well. When you go through apps, you search for this background and then you select it. And when you select this background, you get to see some backgrounds that you can use. Now, after editing everything and you feel like your thumbnail is ready to go, all you have to do is just click on share and download your thumbnail, and then your thumbnail will be downloaded for you, and you can go ahead and use it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.